How to get Twitter X profile link. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get or how to copy X profile link. After you open your phone, now go and open your X app, that's Twitter. So after you open your Twitter X, as you can see now, allow it now to finish loading. So after it finish loading like this, all you have to do now, you can tap on the profile at the top right side. Open your profile. After you come to your profile like this, now you can tap on this, as you can see now, your profile icon again. So as you can see now, here is now my main profile. To copy your profile link, all you have to do now, or to find your profile link, you can tap on this three dot at the top right side. So in this section now, tap on this share button. So under this share button, as you can see now, here is now my profile link. As you can see now, here is the profile link. Now here is it. All you have to do now, you can tap on this copy button to copy the profile link. So now I copy my profile link. That's it guys on how to find or how to copy your X profile link. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.